Hi guys, for this video we're gonna cook some hot dog and egg. And first we put some oil in the heat pan, but a little bit lang to avoid oily hot dogs because my cousin who gonna eat this, she's bata pa, 4 years old. And spread the oil in the pan. And when the oil was already heat, put the hot dogs, cook it well. And if the hot dog is already cooked, hanguin na natin. Put the hot dog in the clean plate. And isa-isahin mo lang one by one. If you kaya 2, let's put 2. And if you done that carefully para hindi mahulog yung hotdog. And in the same pan, let's heat again the pan and put some a little bit in oil, add a little bit of oil pala. Then put the egg, 2 egg only, because that is for me and my insan cousin, like that. Put the egg if the oil is already heat na. That is my advice lang po. And add a little bit of salt. I use that for rock salt lang po. Little bit lang. And let's fast forward the video because the video is so long. Let's consume your time. You cook it well. Tell what you want to cook. Sunny side up or scramble basta. Bring some new clean plate for the egg. And if it's done, let's put the egg in the clean plate like that. And the one, yes, let's put. And thank you for watching. Bye.